As we enter into Yoga Nidra now, adjust your body as you need to be comfortable. But as best as possible, remain relaxed and motionless, alert and conscious, staying in touch with my guidance at all times. Now shift from thinking and doing to feeling and being. Do absolutely nothing from now on. Drop into the deepest state of tranquility, stillness, and peace. Now you are in direct communion with your energy body. Direct your full attention to your breath. Create no struggle around breathing, using the breath to release any tension. Slowly deepen your inhalations and exhalations. Let your breath flow in a steady, uniform, unbroken stream. Continue until asked to stop. Let your attention be totally connected to your breath as it flows in and out. Bring all of your attention to the expansion and contraction of your abdomen as you breathe deeply in and out. With each exhalation, release all tension held in your body. Let go. Breathe out any holding in the body. Use your breath to progressively enter a deeper level of stillness and silence. We will continue with 10 more slow, deep breaths. Count them like this. 10, I am breathing in. 10, I am breathing out. 9, I am breathing in. 9, I am breathing out. And continue until asked to stop. Be absorbed in the sound of your own breath. Continue to count. Let yourself be more relaxed and peaceful with each breath. Continue to count. Now allow your breath to return to normal. Stop counting. Feel the energetic impact of the breath in the form of pulsations in the body. Your attention allows the energy field in the body to grow and expand. Experience it. Energy follows attention. Let your mind melt and merge in the river of flowing energy through your body. Now follow my guidance as we move our attention through different parts of the body. Let your detached attention release the dormant healing power trapped in the meridians and connected to the organs to carry out the healing from within. As I guide you from point to point, remain in non-doing, silent awareness. Resolve to yourself that you will stay alert and awake. Now bring your attention to the brow center. Pit of the throat. Right shoulder. Right elbow. Right wrist. Right thumb. Index finger. Middle finger. Ring finger. Little finger. Wrist. Elbow. Shoulder. Pit of the throat. Left shoulder. Left elbow. Left wrist. Left thumb. Index finger. Middle finger. Ring finger. Little finger. Wrist. Elbow. Shoulder. Pit of the throat. Middle of the chest. Right side of the chest. Middle of the chest. Left side of the chest. Middle of the chest. Navel point. Middle of the pubic bone. Right hip. Right knee. Right ankle. Big toe. Second toe. Third toe. Fourth toe. Fifth toe. Ankle. Knee. Hip. Middle of the pubic bone. left hip, left knee, left ankle, big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe, ankle, knee, hip, middle of the pubic bone, navel point, middle of the chest, pit of the throat, and back to the brow center. Gather your attention at the brow center. Let the non-doing presence fully manifest in your brow center. Observe the vast stillness and silence. Resting in this vastness, allow whatever comes into your field of awareness to be present without comment or judgment. Witness it as it floats by, like clouds in the sky. Give yourself the permission to enter into the deepest level of relaxation right now. Let go. Nothing to do or achieve. Dissolve and disappear into stillness. Open, empty of all doing, all past, all future. Merge now into this space and be empty. Sensations, thoughts, images, floating by like clouds on a clear blue sky. Letting it all gather and dissipate, come and go. Be the space in which it is all happening. If at this time you have an intention or a self-defeating pattern or habit that you want to be freed from, formulate it into an intention. That which you know yourself to be, that which you release yourself from, and repeat this intention 3 times. Allow this intention to go to the deepest levels of recognition with no hesitation. Have faith and trust that it has been heard and is being acted upon by a higher power, the higher power of the source within you. There is no need for you to do anything about it. Now allow yourself to respond spontaneously and effortlessly to these affirmations. I allow that which is coming to come. I allow that which is going to go. I automatically attract the highest and best to myself. I am at peace with myself as I am and the world as it is. I totally and unconditionally align myself with the higher power that manifests everything in the universe. I feel my burden is lifted. I feel complete from managing, controlling, or needing anything outside of myself. Establish yourself firmly in faith and trust to receive the grace, protection, and guidance of the higher self within you. The more often you go to your source, the easier it will be to return there, and the longer you can stay. Feel the presence of your own spiritual guides surrounding you and blessing you. Accept their blessing and grace. Embody it and spread it wherever you go. Now you have prepared the base from where you can carry out interactions with life and interpersonal relationships with the integrative power of love and the source within. You are the emissary of light and love. Carry it everywhere you go and to everyone you meet. If you have an area that you feel needs healing, physical, mental, or emotional, allow this light and love to flow into that area now. Now slowly begin to become aware of the rising and falling of the breath. Slowly feel yourself beginning to rise to the surface of awareness, as if arising from the depths of a vast ocean. Sense the body resting on the floor, the quality of the air as it touches the skin. Gradually you can move as if you're awakening from a restful sleep. Perhaps bend your knees and pull them close to your chest. Rock gently sideways, taking your time. Do not hurry. And when you're ready, turn onto your right side and curl into a fetal position. Feel the safety comfort, and protection of the womb of existence. Now you can gradually move and begin to sit up with your eyes closed. Continue to stay deep in this inner experience. Regardless of what you consciously recognize that has or has not changed, know that something deep within has shifted to connect you with your intention. Become aware of your body and bring a deep sense of peace and contentment with you as you bring attention back to the body. Notice how relaxed the body is, how soft the breath is, how silent the mind is, how quiet the heartbeat is. Be still and be grateful. Know that you can easily enter here again and again. And when you're ready, you may gradually open your eyes.